Somebody put rock barriers on that trail. All right. Yeah, it's pretty much uphill, huh?
Yeah, I think here's where it's going to start getting warm.
Finger of the fire here. They dumped a lot of water on it. That video of the gate, the drama at the gate. Yeah,
will leaf out again next year or the year after.
they're pretty hardy.
Yeah, they're with this.
Well, were these oak trees planted in the late 1800s?
Say that? What?
These oak trees were introduced in the late 1800s.
I don't know that. Where did you hear that?
Well, the Crawford Ranch there up, I think they call it the Crawford Ranch up
Across the river?
across the river. Yeah,
That's
because they have some plaques. They have some verbiage about the incentive of planting oak trees and reclaiming the desert.
Maybe. I have no knowledge about that at all. I
Yeah.
always assumed they were just native trees that just grew here on their own.
Yeah, I suspect they were part of that whole initiative to, cultivate the land and
Or maybe a
reclaim it.
combination of
Maybe, yeah.
planting more of them.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to know if they were indigenous to the area. I suspect this was all just wheat fields or barren land. Like bushes, I don't know. It's hard to...
Well, it certainly gets that way if you go just a little farther east.
Yeah. Have you ridden much out by the Dalles?
Out in the wheat country there,
Yeah.
a little bit. Just started last fall. Last summer, I mean. No, last fall. Getting mixed up.
I saw a pretty interesting route going. It's like a 41. It's a pretty long route, 41 miles. Starting from the park there, and going up to the forest. I'd have to venture out there this week for something to do. That's a pretty good ship going on.
Yeah, it's not bad. I don't mind these rocks. They're not that bad. At least they're soft rocks. Not all sharp edged.
Yeah. I guess there's a... kind of hate to mention it. I hope we don't run into any of those thorns. They'll spike the thorns on the road, those little spiky things. I forget what they call them, but they're a menace.
Yeah. Well, I've got two guards on my tires. Hopefully they'll do the trick.
You do? It's like
Yeah.
like an insert into the tire?
So that the tires are lying.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, these tires, I've got them set up pretty well. They're tubeless, and so there's a lot of sealant in them. But I also have inserts that they're kind of like run flats. If I get a flat tire, I can still bike along. And here's the next gate. Yeah, I think they improved this road from the fire. All the trucks going up and down. I've walked this before. I don't remember it. Well, yeah, maybe it's just such a nice day. It looks better. This is the top of the hill right here. And last time I rode this, whoa, keep moving. I was here a couple of years ago with my pedal bike, my mountain bike, and the gate wouldn't open. I had to throw the bike over the top here. But then they say you can go to the right here and just jump over the barbed wire there.
does look like it's got a lock on it. Let me hand over to each other. I think that'll be a little easier.
Okay. Okay. I'll go first. I can carry my bike, and I'll grab yours. I think. I should have taken your advice. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Boom!
Yeah, and you're convincing me of doing it the other way.
You're not impressed? Come back here.
All these sides too.
I think this is called the Old Dowd Road or something. Yeah. And look, they got the microwave. They got that gate open. Going up to the microwave down. Yeah, and this is nice and washboard and bumpy and steep. Sounds like a plan. Don't. I learned 30 years ago, don't encourage people to do reckless things. I watched it. It was a friend of my, it was a spouse of mine, one of my coworkers, hurt himself on the trail.
Well, the older I get, the more stories I know. A friend of mine who was definitely an extreme athlete here, who's policy now is when he's going downhill on his bike, he never goes over 12 or 15 miles per hour. Because he learned the hard way. About some of those unexpected holes.
No, I watch too much Tour de France. Those bike riders, they are just on the edge, and they crashing hard is part of the sport. Oh man, I do not want to do that.
I don't mind waiting for me at the bottom of the hill. You go ahead and do whatever you want.
Yeah, I will. I know. I know that. Going slow and not getting jarred up, it's not a bad deal. I think Tina, my wife, could do that trail. I think she'd have fun on that trail. It's not that technical.
When I was 12 years old, I wasn't afraid of anything. I was riding my bike in Vancouver down this very steep hill called Blandford Drive in Vancouver. It's a beautiful forested road. And I was just screaming down that road. And I don't know if my memory is right, but I had a speedometer on my bike. And I swear it said I was going 45
Yeah, see?
when my front tire came off.
Oh my God.
I saw it happening.
Oh my God.
I
Alicia.
learned a lot on that route, on that trip. One of them was, better bicycle maintenance.
Yeah.
But I've still got a scar on my head.
Oh my God.
Fortunately, I don't know. As far as I know, the brain injury wasn't too severe.
Yeah, if you can remember the whole thing too, that helps. That's probably.
Looking down, seeing the speed I was going, and seeing the tires start to come off.
Oh
And I
shit.
went over the handlebars. Fortunately, my sister was with me.
The same thing happened to my brother when I was bike riding with him. Fucking his front wheel coming off over, down a steep hill,
Yeah.
Yeah, he got real banged up on that. Oh man.
That was my first real lesson in mortality.
Smooth bend here.
All right, thank
We'll take a right on East Road there, and
Are we gonna do which one?
on the
East side. Is that what
east side,
we're gonna turn right on the east side?
and then go past Panorama Point there.
Yeah. Sounds good.
How about if we meet at Panorama Point? Do you mind riding up to Panorama Point?
Yeah, no.
Take a little view up there. That sounds like a plan. I'm gonna put my straps together here.
I'll meet you at the top of the point.
Yeah, sounds good. I met the mountain biking at Whoopty. I met the person that lives there at the top of the point there.
Uh-huh.
He's avid bike rider. So, anyway.
I'm ready when you are.
All right,
I
go.
figured you're gonna get far ahead of me anyway, so I was
Yeah.
just waiting for you to take off.
Give me a head start.
Well, you don't need it, I don't think.
No. All right, I'll go. I gotta